There you go. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I think you're really gonna like the idea. I like it. It came right from in here, which is kind of scary sometimes, but it came from in here anyhow. We're going to we have some chicken thighs here. We go to the store, and what we're gonna do with these chicken thighs are, we're going to season them. You know how that goes. And we'll start out with some garlic powder. We'll just season them with that. There we are. Also, we will want. This is going to take me a minute now. I should have had this out earlier. I'm not organized. Just bad. See? Yeah, no. See? Yeah, I'm really not organized at all here. Totally fucked up. Here it is. Okay. I got some lemon pepper here. We're going to put some lemon pepper on here too. Now, one of the reasons we're putting lemon pepper on here, basically the main reason we're putting lemon pepper on here, is because each one of these breasts I'm going to wrap a shrimp in. So I'm going to take the shrimp, I'm going to put it in each one of the thighs. That and 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 that. That's lovely. This one's a little bigger. I think I can squeeze two into that one. I might be able to squeeze two into maybe that one. And I got one more left. Let's see. This is good stuff. Put it in that one. Okay, doesn't that look great? Okay, already this is getting crazy, right? Okay, well, the next thing I'm going to do is wrap these, which I'm just going to take these and wrap them around like that. There we go. That's how we're going to do that. We're going to wrap that around. And then we're going to wrap these in bacon. That's insane, isn't it? Yeah. I also neglected to say that I smoked these breasts this morning. And believe me, it was hard to get the fucking things to light, because Jesus, they're hard to smoke that way. But no, I smoked these this morning. So I smoked this chicken for about an hour and a half at 150 with a nice hickory. So they're hickory smoked with that. And now, I'm just going to open up this package and do this, but we're just going to pause here. There we go. Okay, we're back. And we're wrapping up these beautiful smoked chicken thighs, stuffed or wrapped. It's a shrimp wrapped in a smoked chicken thigh, wrapped in bacon. So there you go. There's one there. There's another one there. Lovely. There's one more there. Beautiful. There we are. Okay. We're just gonna continue wrapping that up, and then we'll come back and continue on with the rest of the process. Okay, so we're back, and that's what we're doing with these. So we're going to sous vide these. I'm going to sous vide these at 145 degrees for about 3 hours, and then we'll take them out and we'll sear them, and hopefully we'll get to see all of that at the end of that.